Oh, hey guys. We rolling? Okay. Mic drop. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we will be working on this M70 engine here out of a 850i. We're going to be doing a upper and lower oil pan gasket, along with a rear main seal and a rear coolant jacket gasket, and a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff. We're basically just prepping it, making sure it's good to go for when we throw it back in the car. So yeah, just follow along as we kind of refresh this engine. First, we are probably going to remove the wiring harness here, get this out of the way, and then we'll remove the intake manifolds. And then we'll pull the valve covers off, and I want to see what state this engine is, and we'll be doing I don't have the parts for that yet. Just kidding. We're going to remove this wiring harness. We're going to start there. Go team. No, that's chill. Move these brackets. Fantastic. This piece is actually discontinued. So this is hopefully a piece that we're going to be able to remanufacture here. Pretty good copy. Only damage is right here. Usually they're disintegrated by now. There we go. Ooh, yeah, these really don't want to come off. That one came off. All right. Disconnected. I'm gonna mark those before I forget what I'm doing. And then these go together, but they're not marked, so we know. So a couple wires here attached to the alternator. One goes down to the oil level sensor. Disconnect the ground. 10 and a 13. There we go. Normally, when the engine's in the car, trying to get to these is a royal pain in the but engine's out, so nice and easy. Okay. There we go. It's only this smaller ground. Oh, yeah. Pull this out. Okay. Alright, that's out. Oh, we gotta take these rear coolant temp sensors. Disconnect those. Here's the third one. Disconnect that one. It's just chilling on there. Oh, it's just chilling on there. Oh, there's another sensor to disconnect. On either side, this one's already disconnected. There's a nut right here that you need to take off. That was already off, though, so that's good. Need to disconnect these in the front here. Oh my god. Here's the other. This stays. These two stay. I believe this one. That's supposed to be. This is supposed to be behind the throttle body, like this one is. Usually you'd have to take the throttle bodies off. Looks like I only have to take this one off, though. Oh, these go with the wiring harness. That's what it is. So there's 4 10s holding it on, and then you'll have to route it through there. Let's take this throttle body off first. It's gonna be 4 10s all the way around. Take this off. Oh, I was gonna say they look new, but no, they don't. Something's been leaking here because we got oil all down that. Sick. Yeah, this is so old that all this plastic that used to be soft, mostly soft and pliable, is now rock hard. Love that. Without ripping it? Of course not. Whatever, it needs to be replaced anyways. There we go. Yeah, see, the vacuum line is original. I am literally cracking it right now, so that's pretty cool. That should be soft and pliable. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Sick, dog. Definitely original. Definitely from 91. All right, 2 5mm hex bolts right here for each side of each bank's fuel rail. That's why you have a magnet, kids. I'll find that later. Oh, it's right there. Found it. And to disconnect it from the lines, and then we'll pop these. That side's disconnected, that side's disconnected. Disconnect the front here. We'll be replacing these fuel lines anyways, so. Okay, there we go. That side's coming up. So now we can try and get this fuel line off. It's slowly working its way off. Okay. Oh, sick. Well, we got every single fuel injector except for that one. Perfect. It happens. I want to see this vacuum line snap too. Oh! Damn. Okay, let's see if we can fish these out of here efficiently. This way, yeah, there we go. Here it comes. This is the engine wiring harness. Wow! Next, we will be removing the intake manifolds. Yeah, they're 10s. They're really, you have to use a swivel. That's what it is. You have to use 1/4 inch, I forgot. That's the only thing that fits. Okay. These ones are pretty easy, the top ones. You can get to those. Oh my. Thank you. It still smells like fuel. It's like people. Oh, that's right. Gotta remove these, because then this little foam block allows us access to thread underneath the intake manifold. All you need to do is loosen these, and then you can scoot the little rubber mount off. You just slide them out like so. You know, it's fine. That can just hang out until we take the intake manifold off. Just kind of thread through, and kind of got to go by feel here. It's not good visual access. Got that one. Most of the time, I just let the bolt drop, or excuse me, let the nut drop, and you'll just retrieve it once you pull the manifolds off. Not a big deal. Guys on forums are like, oh, you need this special, extra skinny 10mm socket to be able to do this job, and it's such a pain in the ass. You need 5 different extensions. You need this. You need. Nah, bruh, you don't. Because I am using regular 1/4 inch stuff, and it is working just fine. You know, as I'm saying that, it's not working, so that's pretty crazy. Had to open my big mouth. Ah, there we go. Ugh! Oh. Got it. Yeah, like I said, regular 10mm. But they're all trying to get a 3/8 in here. Oh no, my ratchet won't fit, my extensions won't fit. Drop down to a 1/4 inch. You Why are you not loose? Oh, well, taking that off helps. Now for some prying action. I'm going to get a bigger pryer. Big red. Big juicy red. That's what I call this one. Big juicy red never fails me. I will need to take those off, so I'm going to take them off. Who dropped that? Party foul. Oh! I guess that was holding it back. We're going to loosen the other side. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Yay! Well, plus is the intake valves look primo. There's a bunch of spittle in the valves, but that's all right. Okay, let's get vacuum over here. My fault, OG. Oh, look at that! 96. They have been replaced before, but they are old. Yeah, these are $700 a pop. Can you believe that? Yeah. It's redonkulous. Correctamundo. Also from 96. All right. Probably replaced once under warranty. And then that was it. Back when they were probably like 25 bucks a pop. I kind of want to take the valve covers off and see what the rest of the engine looks like, because I'm concerned for this engine's health due to lack of apparent maintenance. Oh, look at that. Ground cable. See how badly this engine was taken care of. Let's try this. Oh. Oh! Breaking into the Chamber of Secrets. Yeah, that doesn't look good. That's really disappointing. This was a very poorly taken care of engine. Look at that sludge buildup right there. Yeah, so taking a closer look here, you can really see what kind of sludge buildup the engine has in it. And this is definitely from poor oil change intervals. This, however, is something different. That is actually the top of the head bolt that is snapped off and is just hanging out in the cylinder head. Don't know how that got there. And you can see more sludge buildup here in the cylinder head. Definitely was not maintained well. Long oil change intervals, and just not the engine we want in our car. That's awful. I think we're gonna change gears entirely. We're not gonna replace the engine. We're gonna use parts from this engine to repair that engine, because that engine is way healthier. even though it smoked a cam. This engine is disgusting. It only has 25,000 more miles. I don't want to go through all that trouble. This engine needs more of a rebuild than that engine does. The cam's the most important part because the cam is the thing that I can't get. I can still get rocker arms, I can still get lifters, I can still get buckets, but I can't get it's really hard to get a cam. Oh. There we go. Okay. Interesting. I guess we never heard this damn thing run, but cam's in pretty spiffy condition for what the rest of the engine looks like. None of these are loose. This is why the engine smoked the cam in that car, is because these bolts, these banjo bolts, which means oil flows through the bolts. There's a hole in the bolt. This bar lubricates this camshaft, lubricates the lobes. And I think this one has a little wear on it, but it's nothing crazy. These have deep grooves and divots worn into them on the camshaft from that engine, and on these lobes right here, and on cylinders 2 and 3, no, 8 and 9, cylinders 8 and 9. Anyways, this entire bank, all 4 of these bolts were about to fall out in that engine, and I repaired it hoping that it didn't do any damage, and it did. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it in time, so then it smoked a cam. But this camshaft looks all right. Yeah, so this engine it's gonna be a full rebuild, baby. That's gonna conclude this video. Not where I wanted to stop, but we are stopping. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll have a new video coming out every Friday, and just have to wait one more week, and you'll find out what happens with this engine. What are we gonna do with these cars? But there will be a video next Friday on E31s, and it'll be a long video. Be exciting. Lots of E31 content. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen! I didn't see you there. What's going on? Just, you know, on this 2001 5:36 a.m. What's going on, guys? My name is Great. No. Cut. Bong. Hey, that's my job. Yeah, that's rock hard. Just like. And get stuff done faster. Watch out. Much wow. Living in a happy neighborhood. Yeah. Skibbity bop bop. Boop. Got. JK LMAO. With the spittle. It's so wet with fuel. Okay. Give it to me, ein Nut.